like 80% chances that you will be getting this question from this chapter for sure. Not the same, but yeah, to find the value of m, n, x, whatever it is.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so the value of m is 1.
Okay. Yes. 1 and minus 1. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we'll be starting with the new things, which is your 12.1 we are done. We'll be doing 12.2 over here. Now the first thing which we are going to do is this. Express the following number in standard form. Okay. So you have to express them in your standard form. So we'll just, okay, wait. You can see it in my screen. This one, standard value.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So see, standard form of a number. Which number is bigger? This multiply by this or this multiply by this? Tell me.
Ma'am, what is 10 raised to the power 9? Ma'am, maybe 10 raised to the power 9.
Yes. Why? Because over here it is
Ma'am,
10
because
raised to the power 3 multiplied
10
by
cube
10.
multiplied by 10 cube.
Yeah. So here only, but here it is 10 raised to the power 9. So in this example, 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the 9 is bigger. To avoid confusion, we need to, now it's a confusion. Na? For example, it is 10 raised to the power 3 and it's also 10 raised to the power 3. So you can somewhere say, ma'am, it is, 10 raised to the power 9. Right? 3 multiplied by 3. Right? But we need a standard way of writing exponents. Any number, small or large, can be expressed as single digit number multiplied by the power 10. This is called the standard form of a number. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So remember, every number can be written as a decimal number. For example, the number 1000 can be written as I already mentioned, like I mentioned in my previous class itself. For example, you have two You have one number which is 2 and you have
Yes,
another
ma'am. So
number which is 3
2.0.
point. Yeah, it is 2.0. So over here it is 1000.00. Okay. Numbers between 1 and 9 are already in the standard form. Okay. Let us see how to find the standard form other number by considering the following example. So step 1, move the decimal points as shown. Over here you have to move. For example, for the number greater than or equals to 10, move to the left. Here we are talking about the numbers which are greater than or equals to 10. Okay. So you are going to move it like this. For example, it's 1000. So 1000 is greater than 1. Sorry, 10. Yes. So you will be moving the number like this. Clear? But for example, for the number between 0 and 1, you are going to move it to the right. Clear?
Ma'am, actually couldn't understand what was the reason behind the thing.
Okay. Yeah, this is basically a way how you are going to find the standard value. So if you are getting any number which is equals to 10 or more, the greater than 10, so you are going, for example, it's 1000. So you are going to move the point over here like this. Okay, because 1000 will be having the decimal here, right? But in case, for example, you are getting the number between 0 and 1, right? So how you will be
Yes,
doing it?
ma'am.
You are going to keep it is like this. You have to remember one thing. When the number is between 0 to 1, you are going to move right. But when the number is equals to 10 or greater than 10, you are going to move left. Just remember this. Okay?
Ma'am, so what about numbers from 2 to 9?
Sorry.
So what about the numbers from 2 to 9?
Basically, 2 to 9 is basically for a number greater than or equals to 10. Okay, move left. For the number between 0 and 1, move right. But the number where you are getting in between, 2 to 10, so you are not going to keep it, you are just going to it 2.0, so it will be 2.0 itself. You are not going to move here and there, right?
Okay, ma'am.
For example, 3.0, so it is 3.0, right? Here we are talking about only numbers which are greater than 10 or the number which are between 0 to 1. For example, 0.1, right? Or 0.2, right? So it is between 0 and 1, right? For example, 0.4. So it is also between 0 and 1, right? So it is this also 0.001. It is also in between 0 and 1, right? Clear?
Understood, ma'am.
Right? Oh. Now write the exponent based on the direction and place the number, sorry, and the number of the placed value. So 3 placed to the left, right? So it is 1.0 multiplied by 3 raised to the power, 10 raised to the power 3, right? Because here you have 3 zeros, right? So now what is, just a minute, sir, I'll just connect. Right. Okay. Now listen to it very carefully because this is very important. You'll be getting direct questions from here, right? Now you already know that if the number is between 0 to 1, you are going to do this, and if the number is between equals to 10 or greater than 10, you are going to do this, right? So for example, you over here you can see now what is it? It is like this. Wait. So, okay. So now it is 1.0, is it? Because you shifted this decimal till here, right? So it is 1.0. Multiply by how many zeros were there after this? So it was 3. So it will be 10 raised to the power 3. Clear? This is the standard form. Got the point?
Okay.
Up now here, you are going to shift it here. So now it is till here you shifted it. Okay. So it is like 1.0, right? But here also how many a number you got? It's minus 3. Why? Because you are moving right. Right? So it is 10 raised to the power minus 3. Clear?
Understood.
Yes? Okay. So you'll just write it down similar way.
Ma'am, but shouldn't we have 2 zeros?
It's like 1.0, sir. So here you can see you have 3 zeros, right? And
Yes, ma'am.
if you will remove this, you have 2 zeros over here and 1 zero over here.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have 3 zeros, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Swar, give it a heading. Standard form of a number. Okay. Standard form of a number, and after this, these two things.
Ma'am, I have given the heading.
Okay. Now you will make this table. Okay. Steps, number, and number between 0 and 1. Okay. After that, right now, just remember these things. If it is greater than or equal to 10, you are going to move left, and over here you are going to move right. And plus how you are going to put the powers, right? After that, I'll just tell you how you are going to do, like how you will solve the question. So once you will solve the question, you will get more clarity. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
nothing.
Any confusion, you can ask me.
Ma'am, so I have to solve questions regarding to this.
Yes, we'll just discuss the question as well. Just write this, and after that we'll solve question.
Okay, so I have to write this down, this table.
Yes, you have to write steps. These two, like draw the table itself, because you'll get an idea, right?
Yes, ma'am, I've wrote it down.
Okay, sir. Okay, so let's just do few questions. So over here you got the first question. What you have to do over here? See, this is a number. Express the following number in standard form, right? So over here, what you can see, it is here. So this number is in between 0 to 1 or it is greater than 10.
Ma'am, definitely between 0 to 1.
Yes. So what you will do over here?
Ma'am, okay, move it 3 places to the to the left.
So where
To the
you
right, sorry, to the
this,
right.
yeah. So let's just move it 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And the 1 0. So 1, 2,
Ma'am,
3,
wait, 4?
and 5. Okay.
Ma'am, why 5?
You have to move it till last digit, na? So
Okay, ma'am.
so it is 3.5 last.
Okay.
Getting confused?
No,
Wait,
ma'am.
no, na? Yeah, so it's 3.5, right? So how you are going to write it now? Like you are going to write it like 3.5, right?
Ma'am, because 5 zeros, so
Yes,
10
and
raised to
5.
the power
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you 5 zeros, so you'll just place it like this, minus 5, right?
5.
Minus 5, you know why you have written minus 5, right? Because you're moving.
Yes, yes, that's it.
Yes. And this number, this is in between this or it is greater than that?
Greater than 10.
Greater than. So what you will do? You will move it to what?
5 places to
Yeah.
the left.
So yeah, from here itself,
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right?
6.
Yes.
So 4.0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power
Power 6.
4.
6. As for C. The previous question which we were doing, there they had only like this 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. No digit was there. Right? But now you can see from here you will move. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right? Here, instead of 0, they have 5. So you will be considering that also. Right?
Okay.
Okay, so it is 10 raised to the power 6. Over here, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? That's why you wrote it 10 raised to the power minus 5. But here, you will not write 10 raised to the power minus 6. You will only write 10 raised to the power 6. Why? Because you are moving this side.
Yes.
And
Ma'am,
over
but why not 10 raised to the power 4? Why 6?
so you don't have to consider the zeros, right? You have to consider from where you are coming and how much you are traveling, how much
Oh, okay,
digits you
ma'am.
are crossing. The question which we did in the previous one, it was basically 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. No numerical was there, right?
Okay, ma'am.
But here,
Understood.
instead of 0, they have written 5, right? So what you will be doing, instead, like you will be counting this as well, okay? Not only the 5 part, okay? So the number you are moving, that is considered like that you will be writing that it is 10 raised to the power or 10 raised to the power 6 or 4, 3, whatever it is.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Understood. And I've written it down. I mean, I've noted it down.
Okay, so let's just solve few questions. This one, first one, 12.2, first question.
Yes, ma'am, I've done all the sums.
Yes, sir. So let's just check the answer. Okay. Hmm. So the first one, what you got?
Yes, ma'am, it's the correct answer.
Okay. Second,
8.5. Ma'am, 94.2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 14.
okay. Next,
6.02
hmm.
multiplied by 10 raised to the power 15.
Okay. Next,
83.7 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 10.
okay. Next,
3.186 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 10.
okay. Now you are going to do this. Express the following numbers in usual form. Just a minute, sir.
Ma'am, but I got two of them wrong.
Yes, I'll just tell you why. See, what I told you here when we were solving it, right? Over here, what we were doing, that's why I asked you to solve the question because see, this you were solving it, right? So you moved it like this, till here only, right? Why? Because here you had only two digits, right? But for example, you have 2, 4, 3, right? So you will not take it like this. You will stop here, right? After, like, see, zero digit, you have to keep on moving, right? But once you get the number, like apart from zero, if you are getting 1, 2, 3, right? You will stop after one digit. But here you will be, now you must be wondering that, ma'am, why over here? Here you had only two digits, right? So you have to stop after only one digit. But for example, if it is like 4, 3, 2, whatever it is, you have to stop here only. Am I clear?
Okay, okay, I understand.
Yeah. Okay. So now over here, what was the mistake? That was the only mistake, right? So the here, this one. So here, where you will stop here.
Yeah, I understand.
Yes. And here also you will stop here. So correct it.
Ma'am,
Sure. Yes, sure. Am I not audible?
ma'am, after doing the thing, after recorrecting,
Hmm.
and the fourth one I got correct, but in the second one I'm still getting it wrong.
A second one over here. You got it 9.42.
But still, when I'm counting, when the decimal
1,
digits
2, 3,
first, ma'am,
4, 5,
first in the
6,
digits I got
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. What's the mistake?
Ma'am, I'm getting 9.42 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 13.
Why minus 13? Over here
First
it
I
is.
got minus 14, then because I have to stop at one place, so I got 10 raised to the power minus 13.
Wait. Okay. You have this question. So let's just, which one you were doing? Fourth one, right? See, okay, let's just count it. Maybe in NCRT or sometimes can, like the zeros can differ. So let's just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You are getting.
No, ma'am. The second one, not the
Okay, so
fourth
second
one.
one. Okay. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Ma'am, I'll recheck.
You are counting zeros?
Wait. Ma'am, I think I've done in the number of zeros something wrong.
Yeah.
3, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, ma'am. I wrote down the question down.
Yes. That's why. Okay. So now, this question, second question, express the following numbers in usual form. So basically, this is the opposite thing. Okay. Now, what is opposite? Over here, you can say it is written. Now, over here, they have given you the things. You have to convert it into standard form. But here, they have given you the usual form. And now
Usual
you have
form.
to, yeah, you have to convert it into usual form. Standard form is given. You have to convert it into usual form. So you can try it.
Okay, ma'am. So let's
Just
see.
try it and yeah, the rest.
3.02 multiplied by 10 minus 6. Ma'am, can you show the answer of the first one?
Is it?
Ma'am, so wait, 0.50 between. Oh
I'll
yeah,
just tell you.
I have to
Wait.
not put the point after other
Yeah,
names. I'm silly
I'll just tell
mistake.
you. See, it's
Ma'am,
3.02.
ma'am, the answer is right, but I put point between 3. So yeah,
Okay.
silly mistake.
It's it's point between. Okay, you wrote it over here like this 0.0 and 3.02.
Yes, ma'am, by
Okay.
mistake. Okay, ma'am, I'll do the next one.
Yeah.
I'll do the entire question and then we decide.
Okay, so you just have to remember one thing. See, over here,
Yeah,
when you are solving this, right, the minus part. So how you are going to solve it? 3.02 divided by 10 raised to the power
and
6. So
okay.
right, 6 zeros will put over here, right? 0 like this. Okay. But when you are doing the single one
Ma'am, so
where
I have to
no,
show all these steps also
no.
3.02
Yeah,
upon
you
10.
have to write this,
Ma'am,
right?
but in my school, do they haven't done anything like this.
Okay, but maybe depends on the
Okay.
examiner. So if they have done direct, you can do directly, not an issue. But still, you won't be getting like your marks won't be deducted for this. And when you have 10 raised to the power 4, you are going to multiply it. Okay, so when you have minus, you already know. When we have minus, we have to keep it in a upon. But when we have single thing, it's just a multiplication. So do the rest one and let me know the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you share the answers?
Hmm.
Ma'am, so ma'am, first one correct, for second one correct, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is correct. Ma'am, the fourth one is also correct.
Okay.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am, wait, there's a sixth one also. I have to do it.
Okay. Every like all of them are right.
No, ma'am. In the fifth one is, the fourth. Wait, wait, ma'am. One, two.
It's very simple, Swar.
Ma'am, actually, I've done the sixth one, but not the fifth one. The
Why?
sixth one is wrong.
It's very simple. What you did?
Ma'am, I've done silly mistake. Ma'am, I'll do the fifth one, then I'll check.
Oh.
Ma'am, the fifth one is correct.
Okay. And sixth one?
Ma'am, so 1 to 5 all are correct. Sixth one is wrong.
Why? What you did? Tell me. Tell me. What you did?
Oh, wait.
It was very simple. It was 10 raised to the power 6. Right? So you are
Wait,
going to
wait,
just
wait.
write.
Yes, sir. Now I got the correct answer.
Okay, finally.
Ma'am, I'll
Okay.
just go inside.
Okay. You got the same answer? This?
Yes, ma'am. I will have to go inside.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So I made a silly mistake.
What?
Um, that ma'am, ma'am, you if I say the silly mistake, you will think that I'm a fourth standard guy. So I won't say it.
Okay. Okay. So basically, we are right now. What in the next class, like tomorrow, what we will be doing? We have one question left, right? So what we planned that I'll be taking your test on Monday, right?
Yes, ma'am. A science test on Monday and this test on Tuesday. Anyways, I have holidays because of Navratri and Garba and all stuff. And Garba is going on in school.
Okay.
And anyways, there will be holidays for that. So and my next working day is on Thursday. So
Okay. A
I'll be
long
free.
gap.
So I have no problem with that.
Okay. So you want me to keep your test on, yeah, because tomorrow is Sunday, right? So tomorrow I'll be discussing the third question and the fourth one. Plus, okay, and few more questions we'll be doing for this chapter. And after that, yeah, Monday I'll be taking your test for science, and then Tuesday for that.
Much.
Yeah. Okay. And in case tomorrow, if we got time after this, right, third and fourth